still in line, but yeah, people are already parked up here. It looks like fun. And how are you?
Oh, she's been better. He doesn't like driving in the RV.
Oh, you're hot, huh? I could tell. Okay, I made it to the festival and I'm all parked up. You can see behind me, there's the van. I've got my awning up, my chair set up. It's beautiful here. You can see behind me there's mountains. And I'll turn you around here. Here's the line of cars I'm in, or the line of rigs, I should say. So I'm all set up right there. We're side by side, but then each of us have this whole area here to put up awnings or chairs or whatever. And this is the early arrival on Thursday, and you can see how many vans are here already. And this empty field you see right in front of me is going to have 2 more rows. I think there's going to be vans all up and down here along this rope, and then on that side you'll have 2 more rows. That's a little closer view of the mountains. So this is my street. I think it's called Abbey Road. Oh, I'm not sure. I'll have to find out what name it is so I know where I'm parked when I go out at night and have to come back. But got a really nice setup here. Pretty level. I can level it with blocks if I need to, but I don't think I need to. And enough to give you enough room to open your back doors. And on the other side to get in your driver's side. I got my mushroom solar lights out and a string of lights up there on the edge of the awning. So at nighttime, pretty much everybody I'm sure will have lights. This whole place, all the rigs will be lit up. All right, I'm gonna sit down and have a drink, an adult beverage, because I'm tired. I've been driving and and all the work it took to set everything up and park up. I'm gonna take a little break, and then at 3 o'clock I have to go to a content creators meeting. But I'll take you along. You'll see what it's like. All right, later. Now we have the other row filling in here. A lot of people arrived early on Thursday. Filling up fast. And when you enter, they give you a nice brochure here. Let's see what's inside of it. So inside here we have, so they give you a wristband, a free drink ticket to the Tiki Bar, Tiki Lounge, a couple more tickets, I don't know what those are for, coupons. Oh, and then you can vote for your favorite rig. So anyone who has their doors open, that's like an invitation, usually, we'll see, to go in and see their van, how they built it. Yeah, this is a pretty organized event. Look at all this stuff. Yeah, there's all kinds of sponsors. So there'll be booths, people selling things. Yeah, all kinds of sponsors. And then, wow, this is a pretty extensive, nice kit here. They've got a whole map of where everything is. And then a whole list of the sponsors, the events, the food trucks, the music, what's going on each day. All right, so we're good to go.
All the way down to this orange one. We're all part of the banner.
Just walking down my street here. Everybody looks like they're settled in, enjoying the hot sunny weather today and the strong winds. But 87 degrees is a little warm for me. I tried walking around this festival and I think about 15 minutes I was exhausted just from the heat. It's blazingly hot here. The good thing is, after today, it's going down to like, I think 65 or 70, so I'll just take it easy today and I'll show you more tomorrow. I decided to turn the fan on, the new fan. Oh boy, I'm glad I have this. I didn't realize I was gonna get this much use out of it, but it helps to have a fan blowing on you out here. Even with the wind blowing as hard as it is, the fan makes all the difference. Just walk along here on alongside the vans, checking them all out. They're gonna show a movie tonight, which is a documentary of the Peace, Love, and Vans Festival in Florida. The one they've been having for, I guess, about 5 or 6 years. So we'll go and check that out about 9 o'clock tonight. Gee, do you think they all bought them at the same time? I swear, 90% of the vans here are these brand new Sprinters or Transits or whatever they are called, ProMasters. How do you know which one is yours? They're all silver. That's funny. And here we are right here at the main entrance to the festival. This is the main street. Check this thing out. This is pretty cool. Somebody took a lot of time to build this though. It's all branches. Nice place to relax in the hot, sunny days. Okay, we're looking for the Tiki Bar for the content creators meeting. Okay, so it wasn't at the Tiki tent. Supposedly it's at the Talking tent, which is this place here.
Get everybody into the club and share each other's stories, share each other's content, pump each other up and amplify each other's voices. I also want to introduce Gary. He's our videographer here.
Lots of good food here. I just went to a food truck that had Indian food. Authentic from India. And we've got some cilantro peanut sauce here. So they made me a curry veggie burrito. And I'm starving, my first meal of the day. All right, let's walk down the road a little further. This is the Om Dome. You have to walk through this little path. Oh, I guess this is where they're gonna do yoga in the morning. Oh, they're calling it the Yoga Dome. That's pretty cool.
You're almost forced to meet your neighbor because you're going to be parked either in front of a van or behind a van, and across the road you're going to be looking at another van. So the beautiful thing is, people who initially think, I want to be with my friends, end up leaving with more friends than they came with.
Like the best workshop, the best music, you know, the best contests, the best video and photos. We wanted to like make a real festival for van lifers.
So the flapjack tire leveler is unique to our company. We're the only company in the country that offers this.
We went to Gatlinburg.
Yeah.
You know, the regular stuff. Smoky Mountain, National Park, you saw a bear.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Big black bear.
Yeah, it was pretty. But then my sister's friend got sick, so we ended up in the hospital for a day. You know,
Yeah, we've got one at the Euro vans here. So, 2001 Volkswagen Euro van.
2001. That's a good one.
I came up, well, I left Sebastian area and then came up through the.
oh my God.
It looks like
Okay,
Yeah, dump.
okay.
It looks like they've.
Almost.
It's so close.
There. So close.
It's like the pistol bit, but there's no.
He wasn't busy enough. That's what his problem was.
Yeah, right.
And stuff with this. You want to?
I think we want 2 frozen drinks right now.
Okay. We'll do save it.
Yep.
Do you want to add a little Grand Marnier, make it a Cadillac margarita?
What are our choices for these?
Well, it's margarita or margarita.
Margarita.
They're fairly
We
strong.
got the spiked lemon.
White
and also
agave.
fresh lemon.
Yeah.